And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 100. Let me show you how you can create a radial gradient. We'll start with a rectangle. I'll hold Shift and click on the X to get rid of the stroke. So we only have an element with a fill color. Now activate the gradient tool. We want to switch from linear to radial. So click on the second option, and then we want to have it added to the fill. So make sure that the third option is also active. Left click on it if it isn't. And if we left click drag, you can see what happens. This gradient is not generated from left to right or top to bottom. It's generated from center outwards. So you want to start it at the center of your element usually. You can easily reposition that with a left click drag and then make the outsides big enough for your element. The two stops are now number 1 in center, and stop number 2 are these two stops at the outside. So they have the same color. If we open the fill and stroke menu on the object, you can see that. So the center one, stop 1 changes its color right there. And the outer one, we want to go up with the alpha channel to get rid of the transparency. And if I change it, you can see the outside color gets changed. By adjusting these lines, you're going to adjust basically the radius of the gradient fading, so the fade between the two colors. You can still add more stops. For example, double click right here on the scale. When you see the plus sign, you're going to get a third stop, or double click on the gradient lines right there to add another stop. It works the same way on text elements. Don't get confused. By default, you will always have the alpha channel set to 0 for the outer stop. So when you just drag it, this should lead to the outer letters vanishing. Just increase here this A value, which is the alpha channel. Then you can see all the letters and you can add your colors. And this is how you can create a radial gradient in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.